From the vastness of space, our home looks small and beautiful. It is a reminder that we all share this tiny planet, and our potential is boundless. In 1969, humanity stood on the edge of the impossible. Engineers and astronauts, united by a daring dream, prepared to defy gravity and reach for the stars. With a thunderous roar, the Saturn V rocket roared to life, carrying our hopes into the sky. Every flame and plume of smoke was a testament to what we can achieve when we dare to believe. Inside that tiny spacecraft, two men stared into the infinite. A silent voyage across the void, bound by courage and a shared purpose. The moon approached, a stark, silent world of craters and shadows. For Neil and Buzz, it was more than a destination. It was a symbol of human curiosity and resilience. And then, in that quiet, awe-inspiring moment, Neil Armstrong took his first step onto the lunar surface. He spoke softly, but his words echoed across time. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Buzz Aldrin followed, planting the symbol of exploration into the lunar dust. Footprints in the silence, proof that we dared to dream and reach beyond what seemed possible. Back on Earth, people watched in awe, children, scientists, families, feeling the power of dreaming big. After touching the moon, the brave explorers returned home. Re-entering Earth's atmosphere, they carried the hope of humanity, reminding us that no challenge is too great when we work together. From the vastness of space, Earth spins peacefully, our home, our shared future. That first step on the moon taught us that humanity's greatest achievements begin with a single act of courage, curiosity, and hope.